Well, hi, my name is Fernanda Leal for the group BE, and in this video I will explain the practice 1, 2, and 3. Sorry for recording with my cell phone, but my laptop is very slow. Well, first in the practice number 1, we will use the SPDT switch. This is a single pole double throw switch to carry out the work of a motor for a change of rotation. In addition, we will use the positive and negative DC source, a ground connection, and the DC motor. This is a DC motor, this switch SPDT, and the positive and negative sources. Well, the positive is connect with the first part of a switch, and the negative in the other part. Two of these, the part negative is connect to the ground, and this part of the motor also connect to the ground, and the other part connect with the out of the switch. If we round the circuit, well, we produce the run to the program, and we see how the motors turn to the right, and when they press the switch it changes the direction, turns to left. My laptop is slow if the reason of the program se trabe. Sorry. That is all for the practice 1. Change. From the practice 2, we see the variation in the speed of a DC motor. For this we need positive DC sources, a potentiometer, a DC motor, and a ground connection. We connect everything in the simple way. The potentiometer, this part is connected to the motor, and the motor and the other part of potentiometer is connected to ground, the DC positive DC source is connected with this part of the potentiometer. That helps us is the potentiometer. We observe that the higher the power, what faster the motor. Wait a moment. Yes. With the augment, the motor runs very fast, but it decreases the percent, the motor it also slow down. That's all for the practice 2. Well, for the practice 3, we will see the change of direction in the rotation of a motor with the use of a H bridge. For this we will require a DC motor, 4 switch, 1 DC source, and the connection the run connection. Here we will carry out of the connection as follow, this way, and turn runs, and we can see how the motors turn depending on the position of the switch. In this position, the switch is not run, but in this position the motor runs more fast, Well, fast, more fast. In this, no runs, and in this, runs away. And that's all for the video of their practice.